guys, hi. Today we're going to be doing a DIY. Why, you ask? I don't know. I was bored and I wanted to revamp my jeans. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's gonna be crap. Just telling you in advance, but you know, it's your choice. I'm out in my garden today. So yeah, enjoy the nature. I am so conscious because his name was next to me and I don't want to say shit. I'm gonna get my disclaimer, yes, those are spiders on my eyelashes. Please forgive the rudeness of this action, that I even thought that I could film with these on, and that people could had to see them. So yeah, just forgive me for the spiders that are just resting on my face. So these are the jeans, and I need to unfold them. Obviously the plastic bag wasn't long enough for all of this, but I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna split dye, as I said. My dog's on there, she doesn't want to get off. Missy, come on. See? This is what I've got to deal with. Come on. What's this? Seriously. Yeah. And there she goes. So I'm gonna just do half of this. Which side? I'll do my left side. You're gonna do my left side. So this is gonna, obviously this is my left side when I put it on my body. So I'm gonna do this side. I actually don't know what I'm doing, so I'm just gonna wing it. Trying to keep the camera steady because my tripod doesn't bend that way. So I'm just gonna use this bleach. I don't know how much of it. I was gonna do like a bunch of clothes, but I don't know how much bleach. So I'm gonna just do these jeans because that's what I wanted to do originally. So I'm just gonna do this half side, and yeah, I'll show you the process. I actually might even do like hearts on like the back pocket. Doing it, and I did the front. It's coming out. We'll see how it's like leaked to the other side. So I'm just trying to. I don't have tools for this, so I'm just trying to rub the bleach in, and hopefully it will just look kind of cool. We'll see when it comes out of the wash what it looks like. I'm not a professional. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just trying to do something cool with these jeans that I don't really give a shit about anymore. Oh my gosh, I left this bleach on for a little bit and look at that. Is it meant to look green? Should I do a bleach wash? I think I might have to do a bleach wash. So this is clearly where I could see everything was going wrong, and I was starting to panic a little bit, but obviously I wasn't going to get discouraged. I'm going to do maybe a cherry. I'm going to try to do cherry. Yeah, I'm going to try I'm done with this DIY. Oh my god. So guys, we resorted to the bathroom, okay? These look like absolute crap. Look at this, it looks terrible. So, I'm gonna get this bleach in there, put it in a bucket, a bit of water, and just put this side in it. And see what happens. Hopefully they look much better. I'm gonna leave like half of it in there for like an hour, and then we'll see. Hopefully it's much better. The back as well. I don't have an arse. Sorry about that. I'm gonna end the video. Thanks for watching this video, and like, subscribe, comment down below, and share this video, and let me know if this was a fucking disaster. I will put these in the washer, in the washing Bye.